Hey everyone, welcome back! Today I'm going to show you a trading session where I started with just $33 and ended up making $2,731 using my pocket option strategy. This is my real trading process from start to finish, and I'll explain every important decision along the way. If you're looking for a simple trading approach, stay until the end. You might learn something valuable. As you can see on the screen, I'm using my market analysis bot to identify potential trading opportunities. If you'd like to try this tool, check out the link in the description below. Now, let's analyze the market and place our first trade. After connecting the bot to Pocket Option, all I have to do is click Confirm and let it analyze the market for potential trading opportunities. I've placed my trade based on the bot's analysis. As you can see, the process is incredibly simple. Just follow the analysis, confirm your trade, and let the market play out. That's exactly why I like using this tool. It makes market analysis much faster and easier, especially if you want a more structured way to evaluate potential trading opportunities. If you want to try it yourself, you'll find the download link in the description below. Make sure you watch this video until the very end, because I'll show you every trade I take, how I follow the bot's analysis, and how each position plays out in real time. That way, you can see the entire process from start to finish and decide for yourself how the strategy works. That's it for today's trading session. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss my next trading video. If you'd like to try the market analysis bot I used today, you'll find the download link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.